Pasok ka, di ba? Oh, Major Cascolan, bawal yan.
Yes, sir.
Bawal yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero nakakapasok.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong ginagawa nyo? Anong ginagawa nyo?
Actually, Your Honor, we apprehend these shipments, but there are so many ways, Your Honor, of hiding this.
Ang daming,
Yes, Your
ang
Honor.
daming ukay-ukay dito sa Metro Manila. Bawal ipasok yan. Merong,
Very true, Your Honor.
sandali lang. Merong directive ang WHO sapagkat health hazard yan.
Very true, Your Honor.
Ngayon,
And
ano itong tanong ko ha? Bakit nakakapasok sa customs yan?
Sir.
Pagkatapos mo sagutin yan,
Yes, sir.
I want the attorney from customs to answer me on that.
Sir, actually, the okay that's coming in.
Okay lang ang puso ko.
Yes, sir. Comes
Malakas ang puso ko.
Yes, sir. Sir, it comes from many ports. It's not only the ports in Manila, but also ports in Mindanao and the Visayas.
Salamat. Salamat. You've been honest with me. Ang tanong ko ganito, with indulgence of Congressman Sia, bakit nakakapasok yung ganong illegal? Bakit? Bakit hindi nyo nakikita? Bakit nakatakip ang mga mata ng customs official?
First of all, Your Honor, okay can be declared as bed sheets, used bed sheets, used shoes. What is prohibited, Your Honor, is used clothing.
Major
So
Cascolan,
and-
that can be declared, but you know for a fact that they are not new.
Yes, Your Honor. But
If you
most-
go to every store that has ukay-ukay, you know for a fact that there are no bed sheets there. There is nothing new. What
Yes.
I'm saying right now is this. Ito binanggit na ni Mark Taguban, umami na siya. Umami na siya kasi tinanong kanina ni sino yun, na kung ano ang laman ng container di ba? Sinabi mo kanina, Mark, na ito ay mga, ano sabi mo kanina?
Mga general merchandise.
General merchandise. Ngayon, inamin mo na nagpapasok ka ng mga ukay-ukay. Correct?
Yes po.
Okay. Ilang container ang pinapasa mo ukay-ukay?
Yun po. Hindi ko po alam kung pwede nilang ipasok yan kahit saang container doon.
Right. Sinong nagbubukas ng container?
Sa Bureau of...
Meron niyang customs police, correct?
Yes po.
Merong official ng customs yan, correct?
Yes po.
Ayan. Nakikita yan. Binubuksan